Good morning. Today is Monday, March 18th, and we're just going to quickly go through the three current trades that we're currently in right now. And there's two stock trades. The first one we'll talk about here is RIG, TransOcean. All right. We've been in this trade for quite a while. We got long here on the 6th of March, and the market it hasn't done a whole lot. I thought the market would rally higher. As you'll recall, our last trailing stop to this trade is at 52.62, risking only 81 cents. Well, as you know, the market's going to open up substantially lower this morning, the overall market, because of Cyprus, the bank Cyprus, and it's going to take the market down on the open. So it's taking RIG down. Looks like RIG's going to open up roughly right now. It's trading at $52.64, which is only 2 pennies above where the trailing stop is at 52.62. Friday's high was 54.08 and the low was 53.13. But again, it looks like the market's going to open up right near this white horizontal line, which is our sell stop is at 52.62. So we'll let the market take us out there if it happens. All right, and be done with this trade and call it quits. I mean, an 81-cent loss isn't bad at all. Okay, we've managed this trade very nicely. It simply didn't work out. No big deal. Now, the next one is Wynn Resorts, right? WYNN. If you recall, we went long this market at 117.53. 117.53. If you recall, on Friday, the high was 120.24. 120.24. Okay, our first profit objective, if you recall, it's still sitting up at $120.44. Again, Friday rallied up to 20.24. Misses by 20 cents by at least bringing us to a break-even trade. But we're really close to that. If you recall, we're actually locking in money on this trade. Friday, we moved our trailing stop. Listen to this, to 118.46. Look at Friday's low. Friday's low was 118.50, stopped at the half number, 118.50, and bounced. Okay, remember, our sell stop was at 118.46. It actually missed taking us out by 4 pennies. By 4 pennies, we would have locked in a point and made a point on the trade, but no can do. Look at the market, and it looks like the market's going to open up roughly 118. It closed at 119.97. Looks like about 118.94 right now, where it's settled. So we're still in this. We're going to keep our sell stop at 118.46 on this trade, and let's move on to the third trade, which was a Forex currency pair, the Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, remember, this was our initial stop loss. We were missed being taken out by a few pennies here. Okay, our initial stop loss was 104.17. The market Friday, the high rallied up to 104.13. It missed taking us out by 4 pips. Okay, 4 pips. We would have lost 60 pips on the trade, but that's part of the game, right? Right now, the market's trading at 103.89, so the market is backed off a bit. So we'll see where we're at. We're going to keep our stop exactly where it was on Friday, which again is at 104.17. Again, it missed us on Friday by 4 pips. Right now, we're trading at 103.89. So we'll see where the overall market, looks like the market's going to open up maybe 100 points lower. The Dow roughly 85 to 100 points lower. S&P is about 13 points lower. So we'll see if we get that a little pullback, and then we'll see if we get any more trades setting up. But in terms of the currency pairs, not seeing a whole lot. The euro US dollar still in the red here. We're close. The euro US dollar is close to the 200 exponential moving average here. Still flirting with this low right in here. So we're at a critical level right here on whether or not we're going to continue going higher. Although the trend has officially changed from up to down right in here. I'm still staying neutral here. I'm not doing anything in this market right now. The U.S. dollar, Japanese yen, obviously this market's been up big time. We're starting to pull down off this high. We're starting to penetrate down through that mid-band. So right in this area here, between the mid to the lower and the 50 exponential, right in here could act as nice support. We'll take a look at it as the market's pulling down further. The British pound U.S. dollar, as you know, we're starting to pull up again. But I'd like to see a larger pullback in this market as well before even thinking about selling the market. Swiss franc, as you know, we've turned from red to green right up in here, and we'll pull. Again, I'd like to see a pullback down in here. That's about it. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Have a profitable day. And again, the market's going to open up here in about 13 minutes. So have a great day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.